this video, you will learn how to install your new Goodyear Ultra Beam wiper blade onto a 9x3 and 9x4 hook-type wiper arm. Step 1. Locate the base adapter that is pre-installed in the center of your wiper blade. It's 1.5 inches long and it tilts up and down. Step 2. With your index finger, push the back end of the adapter all the way down so that the front end tilts up as far as possible. Step 3. Slide the adapter up into the wiper arm until it's fully inserted. Pull up the wiper blade as far as possible until you hear a click. Step 4. Tug lightly on the wiper blade to make sure your wiper is correctly installed. Step 5. Remove the squeegee protector and gently bring the wiper blade onto your windshield to complete the installation. Thank you for choosing Goodyear wiper blades. For further assistance, please visit our website, www.goodyearwiperblade.com.